In this video, we are going to learn about what is ClickFunnel, how it works, and how it can help you in your business. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Stay till the end of this video to get free one-on-one consulting call with me and 14 more bonuses which will help you to increase your sales in your business. In this video, we are talking about what is ClickFunnels, how it works, and the most important, how it can help you get more leads and sales every single day while totally automating your business. Before I explain to you what is ClickFunnels, you need to understand what is sales funnel. Sales funnel is a step-by-step process which helps you in converting a random person on the internet and convert them into a regular paying client. Sales funnel process looks like this. At every step of the funnel, there is only one action to take. In sales funnel process, we don't give them multiple action to take, so the people don't get confused like any other website or social media platform. Every single step have a specific action which that person need to take to go to the next step of the funnel. The first step of the sales funnel process is the capture page. In this page, we capture their information like their name, their email address, so we can follow up with them in the future. The second step of the sales funnel is the sales page. This is the page where we show them the product which we want to sell. This is the page where we will give them discounts. This is the page where we will show them testimonials and how our product can help them improve their life and sell them our product. The next step of the sales funnel include upsells, downsells. In upsells, we offer them, we give them an option to buy something for higher value, and in the downsell, we offer the same client to buy something for lower value. So it increases the revenue of the business person who is selling the products, and this is how we can pay higher to acquire a customer on advertisement. Now coming back to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnel is a simple online software which help you to create this whole sales funnel without any technical knowledge, any coding knowledge, or any previous experience, with its drag and drop software, and help you to create an highly converting sales funnel for your business. Let me take you to my screen and show you how ClickFunnels work and show you how you can use its drag and drop software to create a sales funnel page for your business. As you can see into my screen, I am in ClickFunnels right now. There are a lot of pre-built templates and you can choose any template according to your business. But right now, I just want to show you how you can use its drag and drop software and create a sales funnel page without having any experience. So all you need to do is go to this edit page section, okay, and when we'll click on it, then it will take us to this editor page. In this page, if we want, we can change every single image or text, or if we want, we can delete every single thing and start creating sales page according to our choice. So what I am going to do is I'm going to delete every single thing, and then I'm going to rebuild it for you. So right now I'm going to add a section, and then I'm going to change the color, so it makes the difference in the section. So as you can see, I have changed the color, and now I'm going to add an image. And we just select the image we want and it's there. You don't have to be any technical, nothing special. You just have to use this software once or twice and you will be comfortable with it. Now I'm going to add a heading in this page, and let me show you how easy it is. So I'll create add new row and then go to the column section. Okay, click on it, and then I need to add an element. In this element, I'll add a headline. So here it is, and my headline is there. And now I can change the text in the headline. Now I'm going to add a video in this page. Okay, I just selected video, and the video section is here. All I need to do is I need to go in the settings and put the video link for this video, and the video will be here. And then to add a button to this page, all I need to do is click on this plus icon and then go down and select the button and then click on it, and my button is here. Now if someone will click on this button, we'll select the action which we want according to us. So if we go and set this action, so now we can send them to the next page, which will be the sales page. If the person is on the capture page, we'll send them to the next page, or if the person is buying from us, we'll send them to the upsell page. So we can change things according to our needs. So this is how ClickFunnels works, and this is how you can use ClickFunnels and create a sales funnel for your business. Other than Sales Funnel Builder, ClickFunnels also offers you an amazing training on how to create a converting sales funnel for your business totally as a beginner. Other than that, ClickFunnels also offers you amazing community where everyone is helping each other to grow and share their stories, so it can be helpful for everyone and everyone can grow and learn at the same time. So if you are one who have heard a lot about ClickFunnels, or you want to try ClickFunnels, I have dropped the link in the description where you can go and try ClickFunnels for free. And if you try ClickFunnels from the link in the description, I'm going to give you one-on-one consulting call with me for free and 14 more bonuses which will help you to increase your sales and revenue in your business dramatically. So all you need to do is go and try ClickFunnels from the link in the description and give us a mail, and we'll get back to you with all your bonuses and one-on-one consulting call with me. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Please leave a comment and give me a feedback whether you got some value or don't got some value from this video, so I can improve my videos in the future and create better content for you. And if you haven't tried ClickFunnels yet, go in the description, take your free trial and start creating sales funnel for your business and increase your business and enjoy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.